head over to CoinGecko. It's as straightforward. So it's a 3-step process, right? Because I think the problem statement here is that he has another computer and he wants to create his MetaMask wallet. So as simple as a 3-step. First step, go to don't touch your current old wallet because you want to have reference of the tokens that you have purchased in the past on different networks. So all you have to do is just head over to your new computer, new browser, install MetaMask with your old seed phrase password. And once you do that, you will have it's the key that connects to all the blockchains and all the tokens that you have actually purchased. Now the tokens are never stored on the wallet, the tokens are stored in the blockchain, but the keys are stored on the wallet. So that's why your seed phrase is very important. So if you can look here at the CoinGecko, so after you create your wallet, you should example for Titano, it's actually on the Binance Smart Chain wallet, right? Binance Smart Chain network. So I'll just go BSC network. And I will just click this, right? Connecting, make sure it's at least a safe site because this is from Binance Academy, so you can't go wrong. Scroll down and you can get this. This is mainnet. This is the probably the one you're looking for. So just ensure that in your MetaMask wallet you enter all of these 56 chain ID, BNB, Explorer. Once you have that network, then all you have to do is just head over to CoinGecko, type in Titano. As you can see, Titano. Can you see this contract? Just click this add to MetaMask and that's it, guys. That's it. Or another simple way, you can actually click here to copy. I'm not going to show you on my MetaMask because my MetaMask is the production, and just for security reasons, we are quite careful of sharing the ID, right? So that's one way. Another way, you can actually go to Coin Market Cap. Same thing. I can just go and click Titano. Let's see. So Titano is here. And see, under contracts, I can also click this icon. It will automatically add to my MetaMask wallet, or again, I can copy the address. So I hope this was helpful for you. Let us know in the comment section below, or we'll see you in our Telegram group. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want the chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?